Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited to be here today because this is officially my second YouTube video. I wanted to thank each and every one of you for your amazing support on my first video. It means a lot to me. So with that said, let's jump right into today's update. As you may know, I recently installed a full stainless steel oval exhaust system on my 2015 Mustang GT, and let me tell you guys, it sounds really good. The car now has a more deep rumble and throaty growl without creating too much drone in the cabin. If you haven't seen my first video, I would recommend you go check it out, as I do show the oval system in that video in case you are curious on how it looks. I'm always looking for ways to improve and enhance the Mustang's performance, so I've decided to upgrade the muffler to a new, thicker and more high quality performance version. This upgrade will not only give a more refined sound but also improve the overall power and efficiency of the exhaust system. The research I did shows the muffler should quiet the car a bit while not causing any restrictions in the flow of the exhaust. The next exciting addition to the Mustang's exhaust system is the exhaust tips. Currently I'm running dual single 3-inch tips, but I've got something special in store for you. I'll be upgrading to dual quad 4-inch tips. These tips not only look incredible, but they also provide a better flow and give the Mustang a more aggressive and sporty appearance. I know a lot of Mustangs now come with dual quad tips, but this is a big upgrade for me considering the fact that my year model Ford only offered dual singles from the factory, so I am pretty stoked on showing you guys the new exhaust tip setup. I can't wait to get these upgrades installed and share the before and after sound comparison with you. It's going to be epic. Make sure you stay tuned for that video. Before we wrap up, I want to thank all of you once again for the support. Whether you're simply watching the video or you're liking the content, I want to say thank you. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting updates on the Mustang build. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this quick update on what's to come for the next video. Stay tuned for more awesome content coming your way. Until next time, take care and drive safe.